Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of 52 Week Challenge 2020. This time we are going to talk about a new topic under the subject personality. And the new topic is consistency, persistency. Yes, these consistency and persistency are two good sisters. And if you go along with these two good sisters, your journey will be smooth and great. Now, what is consistency, persistency? I'll tell you what exactly it is. If you are persistent enough, you will get it, whatever you want. And if you are consistent enough, you will keep it, whatever it is. So consistency means its ability to sustain continuous efforts despite of the negative challenges and problems in your life. It means you're putting the continuous efforts again and again, over and over again, to get the desired result, whatever you want in your life. So that's, you can say, as a consistency. So persistency is an ability to stick to something. Means you are determined to do or achieve something regardless of your setbacks. It is required when you have big obstacles or challenges in your life. That time persistency is the thing which you needed the most. So to understand it better, I want to tell you about a Chinese bamboo tree. It's a very special kind of a tree and it grows to 90 to 100 feet. And you feel great, wow, what a result. I put efforts and I can see the results 90 or 100 feet, yes. So I give you a seed and I request you to go and water and fertilize it. Okay, you started putting the water and fertilizing it and taking care of from the environment and putting him light, everything. So what happened that weeks passed, months passed and a year passed. After a year, you come back to me and you ask me, Vinod, nothing is happening. I could not see anything. I don't know, my efforts are going waste because I'm watering it, fertilizing it, but nothing has come out from the ground. Even the sprouts are not visible. I request you to keep on watering and fertilizing for another year. Okay, you were so consistent and persistent. You did it for again one more year. And after 1 year, again you come say, no, nothing is happening. What are you saying? Maybe you're wrong. Maybe you give me the wrong seed. Maybe I put it at the wrong place. Or maybe my water is not good. Or maybe my fertilizer. I request you, please keep on doing the things for another year. And okay, you go to the third year, you do the same thing every single day, week, month and year. But very unfortunate, after fourth year, nothing is visible. And you get mad. You want to kill me. You say, you are making fool of me. Nothing is coming. And you ask me that forget 90, forget 100, even 1 foot is not visible. What are you talking? Man, be consistent, be persistent. How long? Okay, just 1 more year, go and come back to me. Okay, you again listen to me, you went back and you start watering and fertilizing it for another year, which is the 5th year. And you know what happens? After 5th year, listen it carefully, after 5th year, nothing was visible, and just within 6 weeks, it grows to 90 feet tall. Oh my God. In 6 weeks, it grows 90 feet. How did it happen? You are mad. You say, I never see results coming like that. What has happened? Now, I want to ask you, what do you think that the Chinese bamboo tree grown in 5 years or in 6 weeks? Or it's 5 years and 6 weeks? And the answer is not 6 weeks, answer is 5 years and 6 weeks. It didn't grow in 6 weeks. Actually, underneath the ground, the enormous roots were developing to sustain the bamboo tree load, because that much big growth has to happen within short span of time and it needs a solid foundation. So guys, if nothing is visible, if nothing is happening, don't think that it's not happening. It is happening inside. Growth may not be visible, but it is happening. It is developing. your every step, your every water drop, your every fertilizing is not going waste. Be consistent, be persistent, because results are bound to come if you put your efforts in the right directions. So I want to tell, nothing in the world can take place of persistency and consistency. Even education will not, even genius will not, and even talent will not take the place. So guys, be consistent and be persistent, and you can achieve anything in the world which is worthwhile. It's a matter of time only. It's a matter of time, because it takes patience. Growth takes patience. So guys, this was a topic of this episode, and see you next time, next Friday, 7 p.m. I'm Vinod Tiwari from Abu Dhabi, UAE. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now.